Petaling Street, guys. The water sunglasses, bags, shoes, t-shirts, socks, traditional batik, clothes, watches, beautiful lanterns. And then in front will be like more of the food section. Alright. And the intersection, they are the selling of fruits, and then also nuts and durians. The jackfruit as well. Then in front will be more of the clothes, caps. It is a famous soya bean milk. Many items, and they can sell the luggage. And now it's like 9 p.m. More caps, accessories, watches, bags, socks. I'm actually looking for street food. I saw two street food already. One is a chestnut, the other will be like the durian. Alright, this section is new. They have a restaurant on the left side. Selling pork noodle soup. And then more bags, caps. Yes. It's less crowded than Jalan Alor, but they have more shopping here. So these claypot are some Padas claypot. So basically, Petaling Street Market, there are 4 directions, and every direction leads to the shopping area. It's like intersection point. Very crowded, guys. The most of the delicious food stores are located just outside Petaling Street Market. Popular Mitarik. The menu of Mitarik, they have 2 fine, 2 white, but we rich and white different meanings. For example, 2 fine is strong and smooth texture, non-so classic, and so on. So I just ordered this, waiting for the dish to come. It's actually a braised beef noodles with brown sauce and it's hot. So my noodles arrived. Those are spicy and yummy. Right guys, trying out the mee tarik now in Kuala Lumpur, Chinatown. Wow, look at the noodles. Let's go. Mee tarik it means mee means noodles, tarik means poo, so mee tarik means poo noodles. Actually the noodles is chewy, tasty and wonderful. And now eating the beef. Look at that. Delicious guys. Overall 9 points. Let me try the soup. Good. So I bought this meat tarik from the restaurant here in Kuala Lumpur near Petaling Street, and it's very crowded almost every day. And the dish actually comes with a set dish. It's a kind of sour pickle, and the chili is spicy and sour at the same time. And also there's a chili sauce here and some vinegar.